Hello and welcome back to my workshop. Making a series of videos about Christmas fairs, Christmas markets, and I will link to the playlist up here, I think it is, on the other videos in the series. I've got them in a YouTube playlist. Today's video I'm going to be making my elk on the shelf as opposed to elf on the shelf, and this is the prototype that I made earlier in the year, and I've got a few changes that I want to make. So this is just going to be a make video. I'll turn off the sound and you can basically just watch me make this.